How do molecules move during cellular respiration? Imagine tiny molecules like glucose and oxygen as busy travelers inside your cells, constantly on the move to produce energy. Cellular respiration is the process that makes this happen. It's like a well-organized journey where molecules change and travel through different parts of the cell to give your body the power to move, think, and breathe. It all begins in the cytoplasm, the gel-like fluid filling your cells. Here, glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, is broken down into two smaller molecules called pyruvate. During this breakdown, a little bit of energy is released and captured in molecules called NADH. These pyruvate molecules then move into the mitochondria, which are like tiny power plants inside your cells. They cross the mitochondrial membrane, a barrier that controls what goes in and out, to get inside. Once inside the mitochondria, pyruvate undergoes a chemical change, releasing carbon dioxide as a waste product. The remaining part, called acetyl-CoA, then enters the citric acid cycle, which takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. During this cycle, more carbon dioxide is released, and high-energy molecules called NADH and FADH2 are produced. These molecules carry energy like batteries, ready to be used later. Next, NADH and FADH2 move to the inner mitochondrial membrane, where the electron transport chain is located. They donate their stored electrons to a series of protein complexes. As electrons pass through these complexes, energy is released. This energy is used to pump protons, or hydrogen ions, from the inside of the mitochondria into the space between the inner and outer membranes. This creates a concentration gradient, with more protons outside than inside, like water building behind a dam. The flow of protons back into the mitochondrial matrix through a special enzyme called ATP synthase is what makes ATP the main energy currency of the cell. Think of ATP as the fuel your body uses for all kinds of activities. As protons pass through ATP synthase, it spins and synthesizes ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. This process is called chemiosmosis and is essential for energy production. At the end of the electron transport chain, the electrons combine with oxygen, which is the final electron acceptor, and protons to form water. Oxygen's role is vital because it keeps the electrons flowing, allowing the whole process to continue smoothly. Without oxygen, the chain stops, and energy production slows down. So, molecules move during cellular respiration by changing shape, crossing membranes, and transferring electrons and protons. Glucose is broken down into smaller parts, electrons are passed along carriers, protons are pumped to create a gradient, and finally, ATP is made as protons flow back. This coordinated dance of molecules powers your cells and keeps your tissues and organs functioning every second of the day.